Hey guys, Trudy here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I have some exciting news. We are going to be doing some in-house training. We're going to be doing extensive color sealing, wood restoration and staining, and paver sealing, cleaning and sealing. So we're going to go over a lot of the products. Greg Tatum's going to be here from Seal Wet Products. We're going to be using the Green Ox Renew and their Wood RX products. So for this class, we're going to be doing it Saturday the 24th and the 25th on a Sunday. It is a one-day class, but you have 2 days to choose from. So it's not a two-day event. You can register on our website under miscellaneous. There is a $50 charge for this class. You will be getting a light breakfast and coffee, and then you will be getting also a nice big lunch. That's included with all the training. So the 24th and 25th, Saturday and Sunday here at Panhandle Power Washing Supply in Freeport, Florida, is going to be a training event like no other. We're going to show you how to restore decks, fences, stone, pavers, and a lot of other stuff, plus a lot of great networking. So join us on the 24th and 25th. Register at Panhandle Power Wash Supply under our miscellaneous section where it says training, and sign up. I can't wait to see you guys. You're going to get a lot of great knowledge and information. Keep tuning in to get more information. Follow us on TikTok, YouTube. We have a lot of channels out there with lots of information. So guys, stay humble and hustle hard. Have a great rest of your week.